Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today we're fixing FIFA 24 freezing and lag on your PS5. First, place your PS5 on a flat open surface to begin troubleshooting. Make sure your PS5 has plenty of airflow and no objects blocking the vents. Gently place your hand near the PS5 vents to check if the system feels unusually hot. If the PS5 feels hot, lift it gently and rotate it for better ventilation. Now pick up the PS5 controller and press the PS button to wake the system. Once the PS5 menu opens, move to Settings to check the game performance. Open Save Data and Games/Apps settings inside the PS5 settings menu. Select FIFA 24 and clear the temporary PS5 game cache files. Back out and completely close FIFA 24 from the PS5 home screen. Press the Options button on the PS5 controller and choose Close Game. Now restart the PS5 by holding the PS5 power button for a few seconds. Wait for the PS5 to power off completely before continuing. Once the PS5 lights turn off, unplug the PS5 power cable from the back. Gently unplug the PS5 HDMI cable to refresh the video connection. Inspect both PS5 ports for dust or loose fit issues. Reconnect the PS5 HDMI cable securely until it clicks into place. Reconnect the PS5 power cable firmly in the rear port. Press the PS5 power button once to turn the system back on. When the PS5 boots, open Settings again from the top bar. Scroll to Network to ensure your PS5 has a stable connection. Select Test Internet Connection on the PS5 to check stability. If your PS5 shows high latency, switch the PS5 to a wired connection. Plug an Ethernet cable into the back of the PS5 for better stability. Now return to the PS5 home screen and highlight FIFA 24. Press Options on the PS5 controller and choose Check for Update. Install any available FIFA 24 update on the PS5. Next, check for a system update by opening PS5 System Software Update. Let the PS5 download and apply any pending software fixes. Now turn off the PS5 again by holding the power button for 3 seconds. When the PS5 shuts down, press and hold the power button again. Keep holding until the PS5 beeps twice to enter safe mode. Connect the PS5 controller with a USB cable for safe mode control. Select Rebuild Database from the PS5 Safe Mode menu. Allow the PS5 to complete the rebuild process without interruption. Once the PS5 restarts, return to the home screen. Highlight FIFA 24 and select Delete Game Data but not Save Data. This refreshes the PS5 install files without losing your progress. Open the PlayStation Store on your PS5 and re-download FIFA 24. Allow the PS5 to fully install the game before launching it. Restart the PS5 once more for a clean performance boost. After reboot, open Settings and select Screen and Video on the PS5. Turn off 120Hz mode if your PS5 display is not compatible. Reduce the PS5 resolution to 1080p if freezing still happens. Go back and open Save Data Management on the PS5. Select Clear System Cache from the PS5 Storage menu. Allow the PS5 to restart after clearing the cache. Once back on the home screen, launch FIFA 24 on your PS5. Test gameplay to confirm the freezing and lag are resolved on your PS5. If everything works smoothly, your PS5 is now fixed. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes.